Department of Science and Technology Region 7. DOST Halal S&T Program. Halal Food Safety.
Have you seen this logo on products? This is the Halal logo. It shows the product's halal certification and helps buyers choose halal-compliant products. Halal logos vary depending on the certifying organization or entity responsible for assuring product halal compliance. It comes in different logos depending on the certifying body, such as Halal International Chamber of Commerce and Industries of the Philippines Incorporated, the Halal Development Institute of the Philippines or HDIP, Islamic Dawah Council of the Philippines or IDCP, Muslim Mindanao Halal Certification Board Incorporated, Mindanao Halal Authority Incorporated, Philippine Ulama Congress Organization Incorporated, Alliance for Halal Integrity in the Philippines Incorporated, Prime Certification and Inspection Asia Pacific Incorporated. Advantages of Halal logo: halal compliance, religious approval, trust and choice, safety and quality, respect for quality. What is halal? Halal, in Arabic, means permissible or lawful. It is a term used in Islam to describe things that are allowed or permitted according to Islamic law. In the context of food, halal signifies that the product, ingredient, or preparation method adheres to Islamic dietary guidelines. For example, halal food includes items like fruits, vegetables, and properly slaughtered and prepared meat from animals that are considered clean in Islamic tradition. Example: cattle, chickens. Haram represents anything that is prohibited or unlawful in Islam. In terms of food, haram includes items like pork and its byproducts, any form of intoxicants, like alcohol and narcotics, and meat from animals that were not slaughtered in the prescribed halal manner. Beyond food, haram extends to actions and behaviors that are considered sinful or morally reprehensible in Islamic teachings. Examples of haram actions include theft, lying, usury, charging or paying interest, and engaging in dishonest business practices. Like halal, the concept of haram is also derived from Islamic religious texts and serves as a moral and ethical guide for Muslims. Pork and other pork byproducts are haram or forbidden. Dog meat and all its derivatives are haram and prohibited. All carnivorous animals with claws and fangs are haram and prohibited. All predatory birds are haram and prohibited. All pests are haram and prohibited. Then, how can you verify if a product is halal or haram? We have the porcine DNA detection. The real-time PCR applied in this study is a reliable analytical method to detect porcine DNA in food and can be used easily, quickly and routinely in food facilities. Detecting porcine DNA in halal products is vital to ensure compliance with Islamic dietary laws that forbid pork consumption. To do this, a sample of the product is collected, and its DNA is extracted. Polymerase chain reaction, PCR, is then employed to amplify any porcine DNA present in the sample. Specific genetic markers unique to pigs are targeted, and if they are detected, it indicates the presence of porcine DNA, potentially suggesting contamination and non-compliance with halal requirements. This process helps in verifying the purity of halal products and ensuring they meet the dietary requirements of Islamic consumers. Ethanol analysis for halal verification involves checking if the alcohol used in products or processes follows Islamic halal rules. First, a sample of the ethanol is taken. Then, it's tested in a lab to make sure it's pure, doesn't have forbidden additives, and its alcohol content falls within halal limits. If it passes these tests, it gets a certificate of analysis, proving it's okay to use in line with Islamic dietary laws, and this information is documented for reference. Different certifying bodies and regions may have specific rules, so it's essential to work with recognized halal authorities for proper compliance. To gain further insights into halal testing, access free training sessions on halal principles and the halal assurance system by reaching out to us via the contact details displayed on your screen. Remember to stay connected with us on Facebook. You can find us under the name DOST Region 7 Halal S&T Program, or scan the QR code. Halal is not just for Muslims, but for everyone.